How to stabilize a video inside Vegas Pro version 16. Let's say I want to stabilize this clip only, so I will right click onto the top layer, not the sound but on the video. Okay, and use this one, Media FX. Don't use this one, Video Event Effects, because this will not work. So Media FX. Okay, and from here choose Vegas Video Stabilization. Click on that one, then click on Add and click OK. Now click on Stabilize and wait until the video is being analyzed. Depending on the length of the clip, you have to wait more or less. Luckily this clip is pretty small, but if I added the stabilization to a longer 3 minutes clip, I had to wait 5 minutes. Okay, so it's not too fast. So yet here at user view we have basic, professional and expert. Basic is giving us only this value, and let's preview it. It is pretty okay. If you are satisfied with the results, then just close the window and that's it. If you want to adjust it even more, then go back to Media FX and set it, let's say, to professional. Okay, and smoothing is the one which stabilizes the video, and you can reduce it to a lower value because it will cut off less from the sides. Let's use, let's say, 2. Okay, additional zoom is this one. If it's cutting off way too much from the clip, then reduce it to a lower value, because for example if I reduce it totally to the left, then notice that these black sides start appearing. You can eliminate that either by dragging it to the right, and thus it will zoom in, zoom out, or if you move it all the way to the left, then you can fill up those edges by this one, transparent, in this case it's black, mirror padding, in that case it is copying what is on the right side, it's copying it to the left side, it's mirroring it, and it might look well, it might not look well, depending on your taste. For example, here it's a bit visible. Let's preview it once again. It is clearly an additional movement there. Okay, another one, repeat, that is even uglier. That one is basically copying the top portion and it is placing it to the bottom. It's copying the left and it's putting it to the right. So that one is ugly. Okay, and the last one, it's a bit nicer, clamp to edge. That one is repeating linearly the same thing which is on the side. That one is more acceptable. It's not that visible. Okay, so let's use, let's say, the mirroring, and that's about it. You can choose what type of movement to make, a translation plus rotation, or plus scaling also. Warp is a bit more complex, so let's use, let's say, translation, and close it. Let's preview it once again. There are no dots there. Now it's not correcting it for rotation, only for left and right, up and down movement. Okay, so that's how to stabilize a clip inside Vegas Pro version 16.